Hi everyone, welcome back. Guess what we got today? Yep, we got the DJI MINI 3 Pro. Right now we have everything on the charger. We got the controller there with the screen, which is going to be kind of cool. And we have the MINI 3 right there. And she's all charged up. We're just waiting on the controller. Now the only thing that I found different ordering the Mini 3 was there's no prop guards with the drone. I found that unusual because with the Mini 2 you got a nice little prop guard with it, and also with the Mini 2 you got a little charging brick, 18-watt charging brick. But the DJI 3 Mini 3 is more expensive and does not come with a charging brick. So I find that very odd that they wouldn't include a charging brick, assuming that if a new flyer was to buy this, they would have no idea that they would need a charging brick. They give you a cable with it and your booklet, and that's it. That's all you get in the package. So I find that very disappointing, considering a charging brick is like 20 bucks. They could have at least put in a charging brick, especially for anyone that's new, just starting out and buying this package. Right now, we plugged it in with the DJI Mavic 3 charger. It's a 65-watt charger. So it was amazing. It charged up the drone battery in, I think it was 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Now the controller is still charging. One thing, I did see some reviews on this, but I didn't see anyone mention that there was no charging brick, but I did notice that no one mentioned that when they did their unboxing. And also on DJI's site, they are listing a charging brick, a 30-watt charging brick that they're recommending for charging the Mini 3. I really don't understand why they never included it. But anyways, I found this on Amazon, and this is a 30-watt charging brick that you can use to charge up your Mini 3. It has two ports on it. It has a USB-C and it has a regular USB-A. The charging cable that they include in this kit is USB-C to USB-C. Anyways, so if you're planning on getting the Mini 3, just keep in mind you're going to need a charger, and most likely you're going to want to get something prop guards. So I'm sure that's coming, which is going to be more money. Anyways, we're going to get this charged up, and hopefully we're going to take her for a flight. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.